So Mary Ellen, please tell us what you're doing.
Well, we're trying to get the sound of gooey meat coming out of Ronco's new blender. So it's all gooey meat products.
So what do you have in the container there?
Oatmeal and water and syrup and cornflakes and marbles, and there we go.
How does it taste?
It's good. Very sweet. So here we're going to try it and see how we sound. Okay.
What do you think?
It's not what I want. Not that time. I want more marble sounds. I want more of the bones hitting the water. Or hitting the thing. So I may have gone too high. Let's try this again. And the flakes are starting to thicken it up, so I have to loosen it up again. So let's try. And the mic's up?
Yeah.
It's got it.
Looks tasty.
Well, this is after the show.
After many hours of experimentation, you've arrived at this form of Popeil goo.
Yep, Popeil goo.
Oh yeah.
That's better.
That's disgusting.
Yep, that's where I want it. Nice and disgusting. I want to make people go, ew.
Okay. Thanks, Mary Ellen.
You're